Hi friends, before we get into this video, this is my first video with Mini Scenes GB collaboration. So this is for the Halloween, the 2024 International Halloween Craft Collaboration. There will be a link to the playlist down in the description, as well as to her channel, and then also in the iCard at the end of the video. So after you watch this, make sure you go and check all of the other crafty people that are on the playlist. Give them some love as well. And if you're coming from the crafty collaboration, welcome. I hope you enjoy what you see. Let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. I think this is day 4 that I'm currently filming for. I think so. So I pulled out these little pop socket molds with the pop sockets. You're only seeing 4 here because I have already poured the other 4. I kind of mixed up too much resin on my last project. And they were sitting right there and I was like, whatever, I'll pour whatever fills, and then we will film the intro for this video, you know, whenever. So I've got the 4 molds here, and so I've got the Harry Potter sugar skull, and the cool little, like, what do you call that? It's from Snow White. The poison apple. That's what it is. The poison apple. Yeah, so I've got all of these. So I'm excited to pour them. And I think I want to do kind of like a 2-part pour with at least these 2. So I want to do, with Harry Potter, I want to do gold in the HP and then black for the rest. And then for this one, I want to do, I think, green for the apple, the poison part, and then red for the apple. I want to see how those look, and then these 2 will just be the plain black. Yeah, so super simple, and then once they're all demolded, we will assemble with the little pop sockets. But I'm excited to see how these turn out. I have not peeked. Yes, I have poured these, but I have not peeked at them. Also, this one is like an egg shape. Not a clue if it's meant to be like that. That's how the mold came, and I don't know which pop socket this one is, so I guess we'll find out when we demold. But I'm gonna wait to demold these until these have cured up. So I'm gonna get my resin warmed up. We'll get it pouring, and yeah, I'm excited to see how these look. I'm a little worried because they do look a little thick, but I'm excited to see. So let's go. Let's do this. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I made some more of these. I'm only going to demold 6 of these though. Let's see how they look. So this is just clear with gold. Very pretty. Ooh, that looks cool. This is the, where's my light? There it is. This is the glow in the dark stuff. This one has a bone in it. Nice. Some green stars. I'm gonna add some magnets to the back of these and give these out for Halloween. Obviously not to the very little kids, probably to the parents, but it's clear, but with the green. Alright, and then next time we'll demold these. That's today's bonus unmolding. I think they turned out cute. Alright friends, I am so excited to see how all of these turned out. So these 4 closest to me are the ones that I poured that are just black. These are the ones that, you know, when I started the video, they were already poured because I had extra resin. And then these 4 are the ones that I just poured. So let's go ahead. I'm excited to see how they turned out. Okay. Not great. The mat on the back looks so weird. Okay. There's also this one, just an enormous bubble in it. Can you see that? Right here. And then this one's just completely gone. Pretty sure, well no, actually I don't know that I sprayed these with alcohol first. These I definitely did, but I'm not sure if I sprayed these with alcohol. Oogie boogie. So obviously if I make these again, I'm going to be doing the layering thing like I did with these. For these ones. Sally. Okay. Still a lot of bubbles in this one, and it's so thin. Like her face is so thin. That's so weird. This is the egg-shaped one. Oh, it's Jack. That's why it's egg-shaped. Now this I like. I think he turned out great. I'll be adding some white to him. Yeah, I don't know about the rest. Okay. I don't know which one is which for either, except for this one is the poisoned apple, obviously. Oh my god. That looks so freaking cool. I'm so glad that I took the time to like painstakingly put the resin in there. Okay, okay. Ooh, the Harry Potter. Sorry, just getting some of the extra off. Wow. That's really cool looking. This one would be Harry. Oh, weird. Wonder how the gold got around the edges. I don't know. But you see, I did his glasses. They turned out great. Okay. And this is the one I'm so excited about. Ah! Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh my dear sweet Gideon. And it's the glow powder stuff. So it looks cool under, you know, under UV light, black light, that kind of stuff. Ah, I love it. Okay, here's the thing. They are rather thick. These are some very thick. So these are the same thickness. This is how thick it is. And that's before you add the poppets to it. So just be aware if you buy this mold set. I mean, technically you don't have to fill it up all the way to the top like I did. But you are going to need to fill it up at least to this much. So that means that it's still like this thick. Like it's pretty thick. Okay. Let's get some of these on here. I'm not going to use all of these. Actually, I'll use the black ones instead of the white. So you get 10 of these. And there are, what, 8? Okay. So you do get one extra of each. Which one goes up against the phone and which side goes against the poppet? I think this one. Yes, okay. I want to do these ones definitely. And then maybe we'll do Jack. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to put these over here. Just to get them out of the way. Should I'm thinking that I need to like score the back of these. Just so the poppet has... is it called a poppet? I don't know. A pop socket? Poppet? I don't know. Hello, poppet. There we go. Try and center it. Okay. I don't use one of these because my phone, I'll show you. My phone case has its own little like stand that I can, you know, twist and stuff. So I don't use these. Maybe I'll give these out for Halloween too. Okay. I like how they turned out. Again, I think they're a little too big. But then again, I don't use them, so I don't know if other people might think they're too big or if they're perfectly fine. You tell me, do you use a pop socket and would this be too thick on your phone? I really love this poison apple one. I think that's probably my favorite one of all of them. Although the Harry Potter ones are all like a close second. Okay. Cool. I'm still kind of mystified about how the gold got around the edges like that. Maybe when I was opening the bottle. Like the bottle of mica. Maybe. I forgot Jack. What do you guys think of these? Let me know. Comment down below. Also, are you enjoying Halloween? Have you started decorating? Are you enjoying the playlist of other crafters? Don't forget to check that out. This is the first time that I'm actually joining little collab thing. There we go. So I'm going to add some white ink to Jack's face. But yeah, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Don't forget to check out all of the other crafters that are listed in the playlist. Linked down below and also linked up in the iCard, hopefully. If I remember to go back and do that. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Ring the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching. And I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.